Hello, to add a new user to your group's profile, go up to the Manage menu, down to Me, My Groups, and uniquely this Manage Group Contacts link button will appear. Now the distinguishing part of this is it only appears for the primary group contact. So think of a scenario, for example, like the PTA where you have the president, vice president, treasurer. Only the primary contact or the president gets to decide who are the various contacts who can put in permits for the PTA. So when I click the Manage Group Contacts, it'll show me a list of all the users who put in permits for the PTA, for example. And then next to primary contact here where it says, yes, this is my profile. I'm signed on as this person, this practice user. But let's just say I wanted to either add a new user or reassign my duties to someone else. If I wanted to make Dawn, for example, the primary contact, I could click this. It would reassign the role of primary contact to this person. Also, it would remove that Manage Group Contacts from my profile. So that's the distinguishing mark of being a primary contact. So you have access to this link button to not only reassign the primary contact, but also, and here's the magic, add a contact to the group. So now when I click this, it brings up a screen here that allows me either, if I know the person's email, this is their user account, if I know their email address, or if I'm creating somebody in the system from scratch, I can just essentially create their user contact from scratch, and then when I hit the Create New Contact button, it'll take this information from the form and add that person to the system and add them to a contact for your user group. If somebody already said they went to the system and added themselves, or you know that they already have a prior user account, you could simply type in their email address. I'll type in one that I happen to know, which happens to be mine. Type that in, and by simply typing that in and clicking this button, Add Existing Contact, the system will say Contact trayburn@cox.net has been added to the group. Now when I click OK, it's right here. So this is my contact information. And now when I go to My Groups and Manage Group Contacts, I can see all the information here. And that concludes this tutorial.